Hello everyone, this is Olive Ahom from Lazada, and we're gonna teach you how to install this nightstand today. And we divide the whole video into 4 basic steps. And for the first step, you will need this screw from your screw pocket, and also take panel 2 out from your box. Just be aware every panel has a label on it, so just take panel 2 out, and this screw, this is what you need for first step. So the first step that we would suggest is to take panel 2 out. The label is always on the panel, and when you take the panel 2 out, you're gonna take this screw to insert the screw into the panel 2. Like you can see, it's pretty easy. Just be aware that not all the holes are for the screw like this, only 2 of them. Okay, now we're gonna take the side panel. See, they're small, and all 4 side panels, they are identical, so no matter which panel you take, it's gonna be fine. Okay, and see, take the side panel on top of the panel 2, and then use this swivel button. Okay, now we're gonna look closely to see how this is gonna get installed. Oops. Just easily push it in and just twist it, then you are good. It's already tightened up. And the second one, oops, it's good. And you can repeat what we did earlier. It's really easy. Just make sure you put the screw at the right spot. Okay, the first step is complete. Okay, we just finished our first step. Here comes our second step. Take our panel 3. You can see there is, no, it's here. Okay, you can see here is the number 3 panel, right? You take the panel on top of what you just installed, and please be aware, panel 3, which is here, is our bottom panel, and what we installed earlier was our middle panel, panel 2. We turn around and install them because it is easier to do it this way, but don't get confused. If you ever get confused, please message us on Lazada. We will answer your question anytime. And when we get to this step, it's pretty easier. You just try to get those screws into the panel. Nothing to get confused about. Okay, we're gonna do it fast here just so that, you know, we don't waste too much time here, but you probably already know what we are doing and already knew what you're gonna do when you install this nightstand. Yep, just make sure that you tighten those screws up and they're just gonna be pretty stable. It's not gonna fall. Okay, we are almost done with the second step. Here comes the third step. Here comes our step 3. Look at the thing that we just finished. That's what we did after step 2. And now we're gonna start our step 3. Step 3 is pretty similar to step 1. Look, this is panel 1, okay? For the step 3, you're gonna work on panel 1, which is gonna be our top panel on our nightstand. And it's just exact same thing that we did in step 1. You just put all those screws into panel 1. For the other side, and now you will be aware that we still have 2 side panels left over there. So for the next step, we just gonna put those 2 side panels on top of the panel 1, just like what we did in step 1. Okay, just like what we did earlier, just try to push the servo button into the side panel and twist it, and then it's good to go. We are just repeating the steps that we did earlier. Oops. So if you are already good with this step, you can fast forward. It's pretty easy, you know. Here comes the other side. You might be wondering what's on the table. There are flowers. There are flowers in our office. We are in the building, see? It's good to go for the step 3. Okay, now here comes our 4th step, which is our final step. We are almost here. Okay, turn around what we just installed during the 2nd and 1st step, and then also take what we installed during the 3rd step and on top of the lower part. And now we have to use screw to connect the top part and the lower part. And like you can see, if you try to put it in, twist it in like this, it's hard to see. So we're gonna turn around. You can do it like this way too. It's just a little step how to, you know, install the screw a little bit easier. See, if you turn around like this, it's pretty clear. Okay, it's good. This video is actually pretty long and a lot of steps that we did were repeated. So if you are good with assembling, you can always fast forward. Because like right now, what we are doing, you know how to do it. So we just want to be as detailed as we can, just make sure everyone can get what we are, trying to do. And when you install the nightstand, make sure every panel is facing the right direction. The red side is always facing down. Otherwise, the nightstand is gonna look a little bit weird. And right now we are installing the white nightstand, but how to install, like the whole method applies to all three colors. So no matter which color you bought, no matter brown, black, or white color you bought, the same way to install the whole thing. The structure is exactly the same. Okay, final screw. Yay, we made it. Okay, we are good. Now, turn around. The nightstand is ready. And look at the view here. The nightstand is ready. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any extra question, please message us. We are always here to help you. Bye.